Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna show you. This is GPV here. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Mega Charizard Y in Pokemonlake. First, go to Pokemonlake. I'm going to Pokemonlake by Google Chrome. It is taking long, but not for long. Ace came. To make you believe it is my account, I'm gonna show it my account. Hey, this is my account, Shurjo. Look at my team. Now I'm going to beat. First, I'm gonna change my team. I'm going to go Pokemon box. I'm gonna change my Ghost Armeldo. Sort by level. I'm going to click it on to find the Pokemon symbol level 127. I'm going to go to the last page of my account. I'm going to get which Pokemon do I get? I'll get, I think, Ghost Gliscor. It's my lucky Pokemon. Let's see how many Pokemons do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm ready to beat where is Mega Charizard boy? Just click to battle the Mega Pokemon you like. Just click on the Mega Pokemon icon. It's Mega Charizard Y. What Pokemon do I use? I will use Emmer Nidoking and use Sand Attack. Drag Force. I'm going to use Sand Attack. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, it didn't work. I'm going to use, I think, Toxic Spikes. Oh, it worked. Whoa, I beat 2 Pokemons. Omega Diggersby. I'll use Sand Attack. Oh, it didn't work. What I'm going to use Ghost Gliscor, my lucky Pokemon, and use Tailwind. How much it didn't cost very much. They use explosion, but I'm not going to use explosion. I'm going to use it Sand Attack. Oh, it didn't work very much. What has happened to me? I'll use Head Smash. Water type. They use water type Pokemon, and you're going to use Emerald Gengar and use Toxic Spikes. Oh, it didn't work much. I'm gonna use Spite. Oh, Spite happen to have super effective. There's Mega Charizard Y. Guys, I'm gonna beat it very quickly. By 2 Alex I beat it. Yeah, Emerald Cradley. By Emerald Clarity, it is a rock and grass type, so I'm gonna use rock and grass type. I'm gonna use his Hydro Cannon. Oh, Hydro Cannon. I'm gonna now use Hair Smash. It didn't work much. I think it's very super effective. Oh, Toxic Spice, I forgot. I could have beaten that a long time ago. I'm gonna use Emerald Azure Metal. See guys, this is how I beat the Mega Charizard Y. And I hope you like it. Bye bye.